So I made my first sunflower candle today. I started with a concrete candle vessel that I poured myself, and then I put these circular wooden wicks in it. I have just had them sitting in a drawer for the longest time, so I thought I would try them. I ended up not liking them very much, but I tried them anyways. I poured the wax in, which was scented with sunflower fragrance oil and a blend of chamomile and lemongrass essential oils. It smells so good. And then, as you can see here, I started making the little sunflowers. I put brown wax in the middle with a little paintbrush, and I kind of wish I had made it darker now, but so next time I'll do that. And then I poured in yellow wax to make the petals of each of the sunflowers and let them set. I also made a little butterfly because it was there and why not? And here are some of the sunflowers. I think they turned out really cute. I'm not sure how I feel about all the designs, but I love all the different sizes and types. I think they're just adorable. And here is the butterfly. I don't know if I'll do anything with it, but kind of cute. Anyway, so that's how they turned out. I put them in at the top of the candle, and in the future I will most likely melt the wax a little bit of the candle so that they'll stick, but I just wanted to see what they looked like arranged in here. And I cut the wicks, and I think it turned out so beautiful. I went ahead and lit it just to see what it burns like, and that's how I found out that I don't really like these circular wicks because the flame is huge. As you can see here, I feel like that's probably a fire hazard, but it worked and I think it's really cool. So excited for this plant collection.